Have you ever heard of gout? Did you know that it used to be considered a disease for rich people? Stay tuned, I'll tell you more about it. Did you know that what causes gout can also cause kidney stones? In today's video, you'll learn what causes a rise in uric acid in the blood. Is the scaling on the soles of your feet or toes related to uric acid? And at the end, I'll tell you the 10 worst foods for people who suffer from high uric acid. Gout is a disease characterized by severe pain, redness, and tenderness in the joints, and it mainly affects the big toe. It occurs when there's an excess of uric acid in the patient's blood and it's deposited in the joints. More than 10% of the American population has high uric acid, which is why this video is so important. But where does the uric acid come from? Uric acid is produced during the digestion of certain foods, goes to the kidneys, and is excreted during peeing. Sometimes the body produces too much uric acid, or the kidneys can't excrete it properly. About 90% of the time it's the kidneys, and when the kidneys can't excrete this acid, problems like gout and kidney stones can develop. It's important to know that high uric acid levels can also lead to impotence. This is because uric acid compresses the arteries, all arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. In one study, this relationship was investigated in hypertensive patients. It was found that more than half of the hypertensive patients who'd had high uric acid levels suffered from erectile dysfunction. Now we'll explain to you why gout used to be considered a disease of the rich. It was called the disease of kings because it was associated with obesity, alcohol, and excessive consumption of purine-containing foods such as meat and seafood. If you're a man, watch out. You're 3 times more likely to have high uric acid. In women, it usually occurs after menopause. People with obesity or overweight, diabetes, heart failure, high blood pressure, or even kidney problems also tend to have high uric acid. Learn more now about the 10 foods that aggravate gout and cause an increase in uric acid. Red meat, such as beef, mutton, pork, and bacon. Turkey, goose, veal, and venison also come in here, especially if you buy turkey breast or other processed meats. Organs such as liver, kidneys, heart, and others that also increase uric acid. Meat from marine animals such as shrimp, crab, lobster, oysters, clams, and scallops contain a lot of purine. Some fish such as anchovies, sardines, tuna, trout, and cod too. Sugar. Any food or drink high in sugar can trigger gout and kidney stones. In addition, corn syrup and fructose, carton juices, soda, and honey can also trigger gout and kidney stones. And as mentioned, all types of alcohol prevent the kidneys from eliminating uric acid. A 2019 study measured the purine content of various sources and found the highest levels in beer and organ meats. And last but not least, refined carbohydrates. White bread, cookies, and cakes can raise blood sugar and thus uric acid levels. Oh, and that scaling on your foot? Is it high uric acid level? No, it has nothing to do with it. High uric acid levels don't cause foot scaling. It can be dishydrosis, contact dermatitis, psoriasis, fungal infections, or even skin dryness. But it's not caused by uric acid. Did you like the video? If you made it this far, comment the word gout in the comments so we know you watched it this far. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.